confess. Tell them it's nothing no go so. And we have us a full of got it full of copper and lead. Tell them it's nothing no go so. No boy never make you circle where you rest your head. Tell them it's nothing no go so. And them never go to be giant.
Hi, my beautiful people. Hi, my people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? It's another beautiful day for our. Let us get started. Okay. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? How are you doing today? How are we doing today? Alright, so as you can see over here, a pocket option broker. That's what we are having. That's what I'm trading on actually, and I'm trading binary options. Okay, I'm still on gold OTC. Still on gold OTC. 400 US dollars. That's what I've risked. Okay, as you can see over there, 15 seconds. My time expiry. So no wasting time. Let us get into it. So come through, guys. Come through. Sorry I missed you guys so much yesterday, but I was unwell, so I could not come through. But here I am today, full of vibe, full of energy, ready for you guys. So come through. Let us share. Let me understand what's up, what's happening on your end over there. Come and fill me in. Let's go. Okay, we have started in a little late, but here we are, hoping we catch up. Come through, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching in from. Let me know how your day is, how yesterday went. The fact that I did not see you, we did not catch up on our trading. So come through, let me know, let me know. Okay. Mamu, no, what's up, good to have you. I do not know if I'm saying your name correctly, but I'm just trying to say it the way I'm able to say it. Do not take any offense in case I'm not saying it rightly. It is said out of too much love, okay? So hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How is your day going? How did your day go yesterday that we did not meet? Okay, let me hope it went well. Okay, I'm seeing that is Valentine over there. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Let's go. Okay, that is Max Mad. What's up? Good to have you. Over. Okay. Why not, guys? Okay, Hazy, what's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Oh, I'm saying it right. That's amazing. So good to have you in the building. Guys, let's go. Hazy, hi, my darling. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Your girl Lena is over here, so let us dive straight into it. Okay, Abnas, what's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Alright. Okay. Seeing you guys over here, it means everything to me. Alright. So good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for always joining in on time. So I think today, since we did not have a session yesterday, I think today, without wasting any time, let me just take you shortly through our strategy, which is pure price action. All right. And like I keep saying, when we talk about pure price action, one thing that should come in your mind It depends on the conditions that you are going to be considering. You as a trader, I do not want to be a dictator, but I always love sharing what I do, how I do it. You never know. Probably, maybe you could also find it easy. You could also find you could find it encouraging, or you could find it actually easy for you to go around. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm doing amazing. Hi, Nate. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, let us get into it and we see. We have already started off and we are in pluses already. So, with pure price action, like I was saying, I focus so much on three major things. So, right, that is the market direction. As you see over here right now, we are in a downtrend. Okay, so whenever we are trading, mostly for someone who is a beginner, trade with a trend. All right, trade with a trend. It becomes way easier for you as a beginner, and it gives you an opportunity to make something from the market rather than trading in conditions that you do not understand or you have no idea of. All right, so market direction, we are in a downtrend or a bearish direction. Then we also have, okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, so like I was saying, trade with a trend, it becomes so easy for someone who is a beginner, for someone who is just starting into trading, for someone who is or who is looking at making something out of the market. Okay, so with a downtrend, you wait for those conditions or you wait for that period where you can trade with a trend. Then we also have a bullish direction or an uptrend. Where buyers are more in the market, and with a downtrend the sellers are in control of the market, and uptrend the buyers are in control of the market. We have the consolidation state, that's where both the buyers and the sellers are into the market, but definitely they are both fighting to see that at least one takes over or one remains in control of the market. So those are the different directions that we have. Then when we come to the market structure, very important for someone who is learning how to trade. Concentrate so much on it such that you understand when we are in an uptrend and we talk about the higher highs and the higher lows, what exactly are we meaning? And if we are meaning something in that particular situation, what are we supposed to do about it? All right. So when we are in an uptrend and we talk about the higher highs and the higher lows, we are going to focus so much on a major point. We focus so much on that major high and the major low. All right, so when we are in an uptrend, we are going to focus on that strong or major point, that strong higher low that pushes the previous higher high to break structure. All right, you have to identify which one is that higher high, which one is that higher low, that major or strong point that pushes the market to break structure. And once the structure is broken, we definitely look at the fact that we anticipate, we do not expect, but we anticipate that we are going to have a pullback over there. Whenever we talk about a pullback, have it in this way of we were moving up, but then we had a small break. Okay, we had a small break, or we had a slight fall in the price before we continued up. Okay, in that pullback, we expect, if we are in an uptrend, that's where you see that sellers are trying to come through, so they create that small drop in price. But remember, we are in an uptrend, so on a higher percentage, you find that the buyers are still going to overtake these sellers and continue with a trend, with that particular trend that we are in. Unless it so happens that that pullback is so strong that it breaks below the previous major higher low. When it breaks below there, you at least know that we are going to have a reversal on our chart, or in the market we are going to have a reversal, and that is clear that the sellers are going to be taking over the market. But for as long as we keep having those small higher highs and the small higher lows, those pullbacks, and we do not break below that major point, we are definitely in an uptrend. So over there, just watch out and capture those beautiful opportunities and strike into the market. However small profits you make out of it, just make peace with it, all right? But just make sure that at least you know all that it has to take, to make sure that in every 5 trades, just giving an example, in at least out of 5 trades, make at least 3 out of it. Make some profits out of it. All right. Okay. So that's it with the uptrend. Then when we come to the downtrend, you definitely focus so much on that strong lower high that pushes that strong lower low to break structure. Once that structure is broken, you definitely have to anticipate a pullback, just like how I was explaining in an uptrend. We have that slight drop in price, all right? So when we have that, just know that there the buyers are trying to fight in the market. They are trying to see that they uh, they come through into the market. But in that situation, you find that the sellers are more, so they are always, most of the times, they are overthrown and we have a continuation. But if the pullback is strong and it breaks it breaks above that strong lower high, then definitely over there you just know that we are going into a reversal. All right. So you see how to go about with that. Then we also have that consolidation. Consolidation, like I said earlier, over there, if you are in a situation where you are in a consolidation, first make sure that you are truly in consolidation. That is where both the buyers and the sellers are into the market. So just make sure that when we are in that ranging situation, we have the top and the bottom. So when we are at the top, for you to be able to place in your trades. At the top, just sell, then at the bottom, buy. That's how the consolidation works. But I will always request that when I talk about certain information here, just don't take it to be conclusive, all right? I'm giving you the strongest point about that particular point, but take some time off. Go and make sure that at least you get all the details that you have to get about that. Most so now, situations like the pullbacks, consolidation, understanding the different candlestick patterns, how they work, what you should expect, or how you should be anticipating. Like, that is what we have to always make sure that we have all that information that we need, such that we do not keep ourselves behind on information. All right. Okay, so that is it. We have the market direction, and as you can see over here, we are in an uptrend. So with those small pullbacks taking place, you know how to trade at a pullback, a strike and trade. If you are not so sure, please wait for a continuation. Okay, wait for a continuation and then continue buying. Unless we have broken below the previous major higher low, then that is when you just know that things are changing in the market. Okay. All right, with the candlestick patterns, we know very well that we have different candlestick patterns, and not everything or not every candlestick pattern is going to be beneficial for us. Have a few that you actually want to be looking out for, or you want to be considering. If we are having an engulfing candle, consider that. If we are having a Marabuzo candle, know what it means. When you have that strong, large um, uh, candle formed, whether it is a bullish, a buy candle, or a sell candle, know what it means. When we have that Marabuzo candle in the market, it clearly means that we are going to have a strong momentum over there, either a bullish momentum or a bearish momentum. So you have to know about these different candles, and at least understand exactly what you have to do. If we are having a rejection, what am I supposed to do in the situation of the rejection? All right. So at least know about these different candlestick patterns. It makes your work so easy. It makes your trading easier day by day. And as you choose a strategy to be using, I could be here using my price action as my strategy, but you find that someone is actually using a different strategy altogether. As you use that strategy, it's not bad at all. Just make sure that you understand it clearly and you become consistent when using it. Okay, just be consistent in whatever you're doing, your setup, the strategy you are using, trading consistently, not trading today and trade after 5 months, after 3 months, after 1 month. Please just keep it consistent, because you know very well something that you do over time, it becomes like a daily routine, like how we know we have to share every day, 2 times, 3 times, depending. So when you do something consistently, things become way easier, and you find yourself becoming profitable in that area. Okay, but take it one step at a time. When you find that things are not working out, things are becoming difficult on your end, do not force it. Give it some time, reset, and then strike. Okay, just make sure that whenever you are going to trade, you are always steady, ready, and definitely watching out for anything that could come out of it. Okay, beautiful. Okay, let's go.
I'm so dedicated to all of you, them who are gonna represent nice things to them girls. Treat her like diamonds and pearls. Dedicated to all the girls around the world. I'm this is Raven and Shaggy with a combination with down this. Flip this one for your musical this.
Okay. Ashi, what's up? What's up? Hi, Ruth. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Thank you so much. Okay, that is Ariane Shreds. Hi, what's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Track Worlds. Yes, my dear, it is live. Faiza, good to see you. Good to see you join in. Godwin is in the building. Hi, Godwin. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Hope you are doing okay. Santos, hi, Santos. How are you doing? How are you doing? Alexander, hi Alexander, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for joining in. Let's go. Oligarch. Okay, hi. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. That is Barbary. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Hi, Mason. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okay, I'm seeing Marady. Hi, Marady. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. How are you doing? How is everything on your end there? Let me hope all is well. Okay. Remember, we are taking it for just 4 items. So 2 down, we have 2 more to go. Vanji, hi Vanji, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Okay, that is Prano. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. Let us proceed. Remember, when we are trading binary options, beautiful. When we are trading binary options, it's all about the expiration time. Once you have made your analysis, about that, once you've made your analysis, we anticipate that by the time we close in a plus, all right? So you make your analysis and then we see what happens next, okay? Looking at me, I got me to say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Before your body enticing and making you want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you put up today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you pull real man ready to see. Just one more attempt to go. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, for the sessions that I'm always having, okay, they are mainly educational sessions, all right? One, excuse me, we are here to learn, we are here to get trading experiences, trading tips. Like, we come through and we keep sharing about trading. So one thing that maybe we cannot do is actually trade at the same time as I'm trading, you also trade over that side. We have a challenge of the YouTube time lag, so you find that we cannot trade at the same time. Okay, so just come through, let us enjoy the moment. We vibe together, we trade together, we catch some tips together, and definitely we share some trading experiences. Whenever you come through, just make sure that you come through with your notebook. All right, you come through with your notebook. You ask as many questions as you can. If you have some challenges in trading, let me know. Let us share. Let us get them answered. All right. Beautiful, beautiful. So, Julian, congratulations. We are in for Caldwell. Taking it for 5 items. Let's see. Uchenna, what's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Big sword. Okay. We are in our continuation over there. Beautiful. So that entry over there, definitely after the pullback, I anticipated a continuation because of the candles that had formed over there. All right. And then we definitely continued up. Even over here, let's see. Why not? Why not? We are building a beautiful, beautiful momentum over here. Definitely closing in a plus. Let's go. Guys, when you are in an uptrend, I said earlier, trade with a trend. So if you are in a trend and momentum is amazing, you have a strong trend happening, just keep buying until the market gives you all the reasons to stop doing so. All right. Okay, so let's go. We have 3 more items to go. Hi, Muhammad. What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Muhammad is asking as we proceed. Look at that. Trade with a trend until further notice. All right. That's how we do it. Yes, my dear. It gets traded. As you can see over here, I am into with the donations. Okay. Ahmad, hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. What's up? What are you trying to tell me? I'm not getting what you're trying to tell me. Listen to me. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Okay. Muhammad says, I paid. Okay, under what names, please? Is it still Muhammad? Is it still Muhammad? Let me know. Fire up your lights on. Make me feel. Beautiful. Just one more to go. Hi, Daniel. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Mehdi, hi Mehdi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Just one more attempt to go. Marcelaria, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing? Listen, listen, baby. Just one more to go. Let's have it. Look at that. Okay. Muhammad, when did you send it in? Let me check on my list over here. Muhammad. Hi, Raphael. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. It has been a while. How have you been? How is your dear life over there? Hope all is well. Hope everything is going on amazing. Okay, Mohammed, where did you send in your donation? Fill me in. Fill me in. Actually, maybe what you can do, you can as well send me the information, but it's okay. It's okay. We can communicate from here. Let me know. You said it is Mohammed, the name that you sent under. How much did you send in? When did you send it in? And what, our first attempt we made a loss. Let me know when you send it in, the amount you sent in, how many atoms, and your crypto, your wallet. Let me know about your wallet as well. It becomes very, very easy for me to actually locate you guys donations if I have that information, all right? Ooh. Oh dear. Okay. Let's go and we see. Oh, Raphael. Thank you so much. I know. One step at a time. We need to follow one step at a time, and definitely we get to where we want to be. So it's good. I'm just praying that everything in school goes well for you. Okay. Barbary, I see you over there. Okay. The Empire is the one we are trading for right about now, and we are looking at a take profit of 2,500. Okay. Alexander, my challenge is the candlestick patterns, how to use them to place a trade. Actually, in everything that we do, okay, you see that we are having a strategy. we are having a strategy, but the chart that you see in front of you over there, it's full of candles. It's the candles. You know that the red is for sellers, the green is for the buyers. Okay, so the different candlestick patterns, if it is giving you a challenge, if it's giving you a hard time, meaning trading will actually become tricky and hard. Oof, made a loss over there on our third attempt. So sorry about that. That simply means that trading is still going to be giving you a hard time. What I would urge you to do is to make sure that you understand about the candlestick patterns, because it's the candlestick patterns for me, they're the ones that refine my entries. Because if I'm looking at a price action, I'm looking at my candle, my market direction, I'm looking at market structure, even the higher highs and the higher lows and the lower highs and the lower highs that I'm talking about, they are all refined by the candlestick patterns. Like it's the candlestick patterns that actually gives you um, it's the one that tells that over here we are having an engulfing candle. So with that engulfing candle, definitely you make sure that you buy or you sell. We are having an engulfing candle. You definitely know that with the engulfing candle, with a bullish engulfing candle, let me uh, buy, okay, or let me sell if we are having a bearish engulfing candle. So with no doubts, you have to clearly understand how it all goes with a candlestick patterns. We have very many candlestick patterns. We have the engulfing Maraboso candles, we have the doji, we have the pin bar, we have, it's a lot of different candlestick patterns, but we are not going to consider each and everything. You're not going to consider all the candlestick patterns, all right? We have those that show rejection. We have the rejection candles. We have those that show strong trend, or that clearly give us a good momentum. Like you have to understand very well. If we talk about momentum, you're looking at those Marabuzo candles, you're looking at different candles over there. When we talk about the rejection, you look at that doji, you look at, like, we have a number of candlestick patterns. We have the hammer, the shooting stars, and all those. So you as a trader, you have to understand that me, what refines my entries is the candlestick patterns. But which ones am I going to always be looking out for in the market? Because you find that maybe some candles, maybe a hammer, a shooting star, it gives you, like when you use them, you are on the point, okay? You are going to turn out to be profitable in that particular, using those particular candlestick patterns. Yet on me, I will be forcing on you engulfing candles. So we all understand it differently and it works for us differently. So what I'm going to request you to do is to at least understand how it works. Okay, beautiful. That is for Nexa. Congratulations. Okay. Track World. Okay, so today I'm trading with you. Amira. Hi, what's up? Good to have you. Okay, today people did not go so far. 2 attempts, two, three, two, People wanted to play quick. Okay, let's see for our last attempt. We need a plus over here. Remember, whenever you plus in your trade, we are waiting for the expiration time. And on my end over here, 15 seconds, all right? Congratulations, that is for Loman. Congratulations over there. Okay, I'm seeing Ariane Trades. Thank you. Show the alligator settings. For the alligator settings, do not stress yourself so much. On my end, I leave it at default. It's set at default, all right? Okay, Aryan, all the way from India. What's up? Good to have you. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Namaste. That is the only Indian word that I know. At least I know I'm greeting. It's a greeting. So, namaste. Thank you for coming through. Amarabuzo candle, it's that one candle that forms and it shows a strong direction. Okay, it's one candle, formation, all right, and it forms so strong, very very long and full bodied, I should say. So it just shows that over here we are in a downtrend, just like you see right about now. It just shows that we are in a downtrend and momentum there is going to be good for you to be placing in your sell trades. It gives you that 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 okay, like it gives you that confidence in the market that over here we are definitely going to be selling until the market reacts otherwise. So right, if we get a marabuzo, a bullish or a bearish marabuzo candle, that's what it simply means. It simply means that sellers are going to be strong in the market. And of course, even you as a trader, the candle formations you see there, you keep seeing that over here we are having a strong bearish structure. It's well formed. You find that there are very few buyers coming through, just like right now. Okay, as you see on the chart over there. Right. Okay. All right. Already someone asking you of your age, then I have to. Okay, so someone is asking about my age. I actually didn't see that comment. How old do you think I am? When you look at me, how old do you think I am? I've left that to you. Let me see how old you think I am. Okay. Pocket Trader, hi, what's up, good to have you. Anna Mbatha, what's up, my beautiful? Hope you're doing okay, hope you are doing amazing. Oh my goodness, really? Okay, let me see someone else. Okay, Pfizer thinks I'm 19. Okay, 19. Pocket Trader thinks I'm 20, 25. Mason 27. Okay. All right. Amazing guesses over here. Okay. Really? Okay. Pocket Trader over there, I agree with you. I agree with you in that range, but I will not give you a specific one. Okay, so it's in that range over there. Pfizer, that is, it is, oh, way younger, way younger. Let us start from 25 there, 25 to 27, around there. So if you're guessing, in between there, all right. Okay, guys, let us proceed. Anna Umbatha, 23. Oh, goodness. Do I still look that young? Oh, my goodness. Okay, that is amazing, guys. That's amazing. Okay, that was an interesting moment. So let us proceed with our trading ultimate profits over here. So the person who was asking for my edge list, you have a range over there. You can plus me anywhere you feel like, but I do not go below 25, so you can plus me around like there. And I did not go above 2028, so plus me around there. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, guys. For someone who says, Faisal, I look 19. Oh my goodness, I'm still young. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, that did not definitely close in our favor. My loss over that at our last attempt for Isabella. We did not make it. Let's see, Roxy. So many ways, judge a blessing. It's not the same without you next me. Girl, I don't love no other cat in no prefer. Tell her me not go leave and she said great man, whatever. She said me don't make it up so much girl, but with no pressure. With so much mean, nothing if you have your girls to suffer. Cause girl, I you belong. So actually, you see guys, that's why I tell you that if you are still young, because I'm seeing some people who are still in school, some people who are just trying to understand or to learn about trading, meaning people are still young, coming up. We have people who have been in trading for a long time, who know exactly how it works. But if you are still, right, if you are still just an upcoming one, I don't want to say young or anything, but for as long as you get this opportunity and you have to learn, this is something that can give you daily money. All right, you can make profits on a daily basis with binary options trading. Okay, becoming consistent is one of the major factors that keeps us going. So please, whenever you get time to learn, to understand how things are supposed to be done, how best you can actually make something for yourself, please always use it, because we are not going to be waiting to get at a certain age, at our parents' age, and then we think of making our lives softer. All right, we need to start off as soon as possible, such that at least we make our lives easier and better. Hey, why are the buyers against me over here? So sorry, that is for Roxy. Okay, sorry about that, Roxy. I anticipated a pullback definitely after that break of structure, but it did not go my way. So anytime you get time to learn about trading, make it a point. Just make sure that you love what you're doing, you love getting the knowledge of the 1,000 pieces of knowledge that you have gathered. Make sure that you pick out a few that you are going to remain consistent on, because when we are learning how to trade, we always see that everything is going to be useful. But let me tell you one thing, you cannot have 1,000 pieces of knowledge and you are going to apply all of them for an entry to be positive. Okay, have a few ones that you see that have made or done something for you, or that you have at least been profitable using those few factors, and then remain consistent on them. Okay, because let me tell you, when I was learning how to trade, I had a notebook. So I used to write down very, very many. I had a notebook that had a lot of information. When my friends would tell me, now when you're doing this, you do it like this, you do it like that, all that is written information. When I go on YouTube and I'm trying to learn personally, all that is information that I'm trying to collect. But at the end of the day, you're not going to have or use all that knowledge that you have gotten. Where it starts breaking down is when you choose a particular strategy that you are going to be using. Because when we are learning, you can have like 8 different strategies that you feel can actually work for you. But all that information is not going to be applied for just an one entry that we keep having. So you keep breaking it down. You're like, but of the 8 strategies that I have, I feel comfortable in break and retest. I feel comfortable in price action. I feel comfortable in support and resistance. So you start using those for the meantime. As you keep going on, you find that price action is not so good for me. Then break and retest is doing it for me. Support and resistance, that is the one that I'm going to stick on. All right. So you keep breaking down things little by little, like that. So by the end of the day, you find that at least you have something that you're going to be using. And when you get it, please be consistent. Be consistent for at least a number of months, okay? A number of months. And then at least you see what's next. Hey, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so as I was still saying, even with that particular strategy that you have chosen, when you go deep into it, there is a lot to look out for on your chart. Okay, What direction are we in? How are we moving and all that? Of all those many that you have of your strategy, keep breaking down and have a few conditions that you're going to be consistently using. That's how you make your trading easier. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. 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 I'm just seeing something interesting over here. That is 24K official. Okay. You know, for someone who has the information about something, you always know what to do. But if you do not have information about something, binary options trading, we all know. In the beginning, before you get the information, someone can say you're looking at 50-50, all right? 50-50. Profits 50, losses 50. If you do not get the information, if you do not get the skill, if you do not get the knowledge, you will definitely, I will call you, excuse me, someone who is gambling, all right? But for as long as you get the knowledge, the skill, that's why I keep telling you we have what we call probability trading. That is where we look at. So we look at 70% win and 30% loss. So that simply means that you are having the knowledge, you are gaining the skill, so you're reducing the losses. All right. So you keep going, you keep going, you keep getting the information that you need to get. Trading becomes way easier over time. I'm not going to say that in one day or in one week you're going to become perfect. It takes time. And that's why I talk about so much being consistent, all right? You be consistent, learn, understand exactly what is going on. Things become easier, all right? Let's go. Nobody wanna see us together. So I got you. So I got you. Let's go. Just one more attempt to go. Hey, hey, hey. Oh dear. Oh dear. That has definitely kicked me out. Oh, Leandro, so sorry about that. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. First we gon' fight, oh yes we gon' fight, believe we gon' fight, fight for our right to love Pocket Trader, I see you over there. Thank you so much. You like my nails? Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, Daniel. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. Okay, so to learn how to trade, to learn how to use my strategy, I always talk about it almost every day. You come through, we share, ask me questions. Whenever you see me for my session, feel free to ask me questions such that you understand what you need to understand. All right. Okay, so for my strategy, one thing you should know is that every single day I come live, that is at 3 p.m. Canadian time. Just make sure that you are always locked in such that we move together, we trade together, we learn about the different ways of trading together. Okay, do not be there. You are on, you are watching, you have a question to ask, and then you do not ask. Okay, just make sure that at least you always ask, such that we are all on the same page. I'm here to help you understand a few things with trading, and definitely I want you to be better, to improve yourselves. So just make sure that you hit that like button for me and subscribe, such that every single day we are here together. Okay. Sanjay is in the building. Hi Sanjay, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you in the building. I do not know. Vanakkam, my Sanjay. Hope you're doing okay. Today, people have turned up. People are there. I did not know, maybe today people were caught up, but today's turn up is not where we want it to be. Okay. So please, guys, always keep coming through. Just keep turning up in big numbers. Let's go. For anyone who is new, just make sure that you subscribe. You're most welcome. Good to have you join in. D guy, hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you in the building. Let's go. Yes, Sanjay, I did. I did, my dear. I did, my dear. There is no way I can come up on here when I've not worked on myself. Hi, Blessing. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Thank you for joining in, and always thank you for coming through. Morning when I'm waking up. Okay, look at that. All right. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Get ready for Sri Lanka vacation. And definitely Sanjay will take me out. Let me tell you, you will take me out. Like we shall for that session. Whenever I go somewhere, I always want to spend there a week or so, depending. So that whole week, we shall be streaming together. We shall be streaming together. All right. Okay. So let us keep it going. For a baby. Okay. When we get to 15K, why not? Why not? Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, I already feel welcome. Greetings to your mom and your beautiful wife over there. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Definitely, definitely, definitely. We shall be getting there. We shall be getting there. Let us see that everything runs up the way we anticipate it to, and then we start on the moves. Trust me, if today I stream with you, the following day I stream with your wife. So please let them get words to be using because they will be right. They will be also in the comment section. They will be talking to people in the comment section. All right. So let's go. Mhm. Hi, Mary. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Rockabye, baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock you. Don't you cry. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna rock you. Rockabye. Trying to keep him warm, trying to keep up the cool. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're the only one have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. Okay, so that is Tether Wallet for Duck. Congratulations, congratulations. Marady, I see you over there. Miracle. Okay. Okay, that will be Zarel. Zarel. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Guys, let me tell you one thing. Love is a beautiful thing. I love love. I don't know if that makes sense, but I love love, right? And when I see people who are in love, people who are married, I love them so much. I respect them so, so much, all right? So over here, unless we have very, very responsible people, people who have uh, people who have their beautiful families. That's why I always urge people to always be respectful. All right. So, guys, I love love. I love, yes. That is it. That is it. And from my childhood. Do you know? Let me tell you a weird. I don't know if it's weird, a weird story, but I think maybe people might be finding it weird, but to me, it means everything to me. I could be there all sad and the day isn't going on well. Let me just give my story as we proceed. The day isn't going on well, but one, I love nature so much, so I always know how to go to different parks and sit there. Of course, you find there are amazing people, maybe boyfriend, girlfriend, a fiancés and stuff, wife, husband. People are there enjoying themselves. I love sitting at a distance and watching people be happy. You get, just that makes me happy. It makes me feel fulfilled. It actually helps me, I think, put aside uh, my troubles, because at least I know if I'm sad, there are other people out there who are happy, who are excited, who are getting what they deserve in life. You get, so I love seeing people happy. I love it so much. One time my brother told me, but you're weird. How can you sit there and smile because you're seeing other people happy? But me, it makes me happy. So I love love. I love happiness. I love happiness. I think that's why you see me always happy. I do not want to take anything at heart. So, right? So, let us keep happy. Let us keep going and growing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so Sanjay, greetings to your darling wife, greetings to your mom, greetings to everyone else over there. Send my regards and tell them Alina loves them so much. Okay, let's go. Okay, that is for Israel 1500. Beautiful.
Innocent like one check. She was all black, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, alright. Crash at my place, baby, alright. Innocent say, oh, give it a check. She was all black, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, alright. Crash at my place, baby, alright. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone big, I don't know how that go. Looking at you sideways, party on tunes. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose.
Let's proceed.
And you're left in the dust, unless I step by you. You're a sunflower.
Hey, hey,
I think
hey,
you love me
hey.
too much, or you be left in the dust, unless I step
Okay.
by you. You're the
You know the fact
sunflower.
that we work out of
You're the sunflower.
seconds? You reach a point and you're like, hey, where are we going? But we have closed in a plus over here. IGA. What's up? What's up? Good to have you.
You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
We presso. We presso Sanjay. Okay. Our family. Oh. She mesmerized me by the way that she moves. Okay, beautiful. That is for Zarel. Moving like no one is watching. Far away. She mesmerized me by the way that she moved. She was dancing, dancing like no one is watching. Okay, we are taking it for 4 items. That is for Ventinox. I had to say again. You look so good. You are the one. You know that you got the look. Then I see her smiling. She understands we can move together. You want me to say, do you like it or not? Move your position, let me flick it up, look it up, let me change that position. Work with the wine, work with the time, baby. Okay, where are we going? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry about that. We did not go further. Okay, we take it one step at a time and we see. That is Sana Kanto, 2,500. Let's see. Okay, I'm seeing Mason. I want to hear you say something in Spanish. Let me see. I think there is excelente, there is vamos, there is it in Spanish? I don't know. There is hola. I think hola when you're saying hello to someone. There is some series that I was watching. It's called Queen of the South. By the time I finished it, I had learned my Spanish, but I don't know where it disappeared to. I had learned my Spanish because it was really an amazing one. It was a very good one. I loved it so much. So I had learned my Spanish. I don't know, I disappeared too. I think, of course, because of lack of practice. Yeah, so I really have just a few. I have Hola, I have Excelente, I have Vamos, I have ah, the others were a bit big words. Yeah, but I'd actually put in and I wanted to have Spanish classes, but I think I just became lazy. I just became lazy about it. But I will learn. Okay. With Mason in the building, I will definitely learn. Somebody like you. Hey, what's happening? What is going on? Two people in a row. That's not good at all. Okay. Okay. Nothing like somebody like you.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try so hard. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hearts inside. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is putting
Okay,
your
let's
words
go for
away.
our
Out
last,
of reach from me, but you're here
our
in my
second
heart, so
last
stop me
list.
if I decide.
Let's see.
You're my destiny.
Hi, John. What's up? What's up? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, so Sanjay and Mason, I see you guys over there. Let me tell you, with anything that is going on in World Cup on my end, I do not know much. I loved it there when it was just starting. Anyways, I'm not so much a football person. Okay, it's my people who are football people. But on my end, at times you find that I'm in my other world. So they just tell me this is going on, this is going on, but I'm really out of it. Though when I find people watching football, and of course I'll ask you which team are we supporting? Which team are we supporting? So I also go with that in that particular moment. So I'm not really so good with football. Um, in my free time, I love going out. Like I said, I love nature so much. So I love going out to like different parks over there. Then I love watching movies so much, so much. I'm a movie person. I'm a movie person. Then I also love chatting with my friends so much. Like I love going out with the people that are so close to me. We sit somewhere, we chat, we have a great time. I love that so much. Being with the people that I love and who love me. I love spending time with those special people to me. Then I love going out, nature visits and stuff. Then most of my time, I love watching movies. I love watching movies. Yeah, then maybe going to those homes to visit those how can I call them? Uh, I want to use a better word, but okay, to visit at times those elderly people, then also these young kids as well. So this is some of the things that I keep doing, that I keep spending in my time most of the times. Yeah, different activities, but they mean so much. They mean so much to me. Happy and now. Okay. Happy and now. Okay. Okay, so that will be the last person that I'll be taking on. Okay. Till I think about you. Happier now. Yeah, okay. Till I think about you. Okay, Aqua, we are taking it for 3 attempts. Let's see. Sanjay earlier on, I mentioned Queen of the South. So for the different series that I watch, um, in that category, all right, in that category, Queen of the South. I've also watched all the Queensmen, like something like that. I don't know. I think I love being so much in power, something of the sort. Okay, I love being in power, things like that. I don't know. Sometimes all I think about is you. Happy now. Mason, all the way from Colombia. We were eliminated yesterday by Switzerland. Oh, so sorry about that. So sorry about that. Lena over here, I go less when it comes to football. I'm really not there. Okay, Asante, what's up? What's up? What is going on over here? This is binary options trading, and I'm trading on Pocket Option Broker. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so Pocket Option Broker. All right. That is a platform that I'm trading on. So I don't know if you've heard about binary options trading. It is a short-term trading, or what I can say, we are into scalping. Okay, we focus so much on the expiration time, and as you see on my chart, I'm using 15 seconds as my expiration time. Once the expiration time gets done, you meet your fate. Either you close in a plus or in a loss. It all depends on your anticipation, your setup, okay, and how everything goes. So that's it basically. And what is going on right about now, I'm trading for people. There are people who send in their donations, requesting me to trade for them. So that's what I'm on right now. I trade for 2 hours, that is from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Canadian time. The first hour, I have my personal trading. That is where we chat, we interact, we learn a few things about trading, and then we talk about everything about in regards to trading. Then the last hour, that's when I trade for people. So that is it basically. Okay. Thank you, Sanjay. All right. Today, Nicholas, we have closed in a loss over there. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? We're paying with love tonight. It's all about money, money, money. We don't need your money, money. Over here, it's all about the money. It's all about the profits. Cha-ching. Forget about the price tag. Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. Can we all slow down and enjoy right now? Guarantee we'll be feeling alright. Callaway. This is our second attempt. It's all about money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make a world that's beautiful, beautiful. Cha-ching. Forget about the price tag. Just give me 6 strings and a handstand. Keep the cars, leave me the garage. And that's all I need, the keys and guitars. And it's within 30 seconds, I'm leaving to Mars. Yeah, we leaving the call, who's undefeated for ours. It's like this, man, you can't put a price on the life. Now we do this for the love, so we fight and sacrifice every night. So we ain't gonna stop and lift all never. Hi, Cole. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Okoro, hi Okoro Joshua. What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Look at that. Okay. Beautiful. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Callaway. Congratulations. Money, 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 money. Forget about the price tag. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Bawang, bawang. Forget about the price tag. All right. No worries. Lena is over here every single day. Whenever it happens, just know I got you. Mm-mm. Mm. Okay, Mohammed, that will be our last participant for the day. We are taking it for 4 items. At some point, it looks like. Okay. At some point, it looks like we shall be having some exceptionals. Okay, so Sanjay, that's it basically. And then also, I love watching those live shows. I also love watching those women drama. Women drama so much. Like there is one called Basketball Wives. I really, really enjoyed it so much. So that's me. I'm into that. I love, I love love movies, romantic movies, things like that. You will find me there. So it's a lot, really, really. Oh dear, no, I do not like closing in a loss. I do not like that. Okay, so sorry about that. Uzbekistan all the way. Hi, Ko. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Okay, Morady, lovely, lovely. Thank you for the participation. Today we have had a beautiful session, all right? So tomorrow we shall start from here. Congratulations to everyone who has closed in a plus, and my apologies to those that have closed in losses. We should always keep positive. We shall do better some other time. Love you guys. Thank you very much for coming through. I will see you tomorrow. Good night, good night, good night. I know very many people are going to rest on my end. I'm still awake. All right. Okay. Thank you, my people. Thank you so much. See ya, see ya, see ya.